Okay, so after we're done with graphs, after we know what graphs are and how to deal with them, let's start with our core topic now, right? So, core topic, coordinate geometry, we're getting into that now. First things first, coordinate geometry is basically, as you know from the topic, it's all about coordinates. You have to deal with coordinates. So, coordinate geometry, and I will put this a bit down. Okay, so coordinate geometry is all about coordinates. So everywhere you see, you will see coordinates over here. What does these coordinates represent? How does these coordinates work? We will figure that out and we'll go into that. So in coordinate geometry, what major things might come or what major things you might deal with are the following. Number one being gradient, two, midpoint, three, distance, four, equation of the line. So basically what you're doing is whenever you're dealing with coordinate geometry, specifically linear lines, so linear means one. So you're talking about one line. So you'll have to know what is the equation of the line. We'll get into this in a more detailed fashion later on. And then last not the least, parallel and perpendicular lines. You might be tested upon this in a lot of past papers. I've seen questions. This is a 4 marks usually that it comes parallel and perpendicular. There might be equation of the line questions as well, midpoint, all of that. But coordinate geometry overall will be of 4 marks in total.